Hello learners, this is teacher MaReya once again. Welcome to our class today. Let's explore and learn together. Today, we will be learning the place value and the value of digits in 3-digit numbers. What is place value? The place value is the value of each digit in a number. The value of each digit in a number is different based upon its position in the number. Always remember that the place value of each digit is according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. As of now, let us focus first with ones, tens, and hundreds. I will give you an example. H stands for hundreds. T stands for tens. O stands for ones. When defining the place value, starts with the right side of the digit. For example, 928. What is the position of digit 8, digit 2, and digit 9? Ones, tens, hundreds. 928. You should always start from the right side. How about 715? What is the place value of digit 7? Yes, that is hundreds. Another example, 564. What is the place value of digit 6? Yes, that's correct. The place value of digit 6 is tens. Now, let's try to expand the numbers. 928. How will you expand 928? There are 9 hundreds, so you will write 900. Then there are 2 tens, you will write 20. And then 8 ones, you will write 8. 900 plus 20 plus 8 equals 928. That is the expanded form. Now, let's expand 718. 700 plus 10 plus 8 equals 718. Now, let us try 208. As you can see, there are no tens. Take note that 0 is our placeholder. 200 plus 0 plus 8. How many hundreds? 2. How many tens? There are no tens. How many ones? 8. 208. Only one of the digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 can be placed in any place value position. Let's try to answer the following activities. Let us try to write the place value of the underlined digit. You write H for hundreds, you write T for tens, O for ones. 461. The underlined digit is 6. The place value of 6 is tens. 256. The underlying digit is 6. So what is the place value of the underlying digit? The place value of the underlying digit is ones. 251. The underlying digit is 2. The place value of 2 is hundreds.
So let's talk about value. The value of a digit is the product of the digit and its place value. It's how much the digit is worth based on its place. So this is the example. 507. The value of the digit 5 is 500. The value of digit 0 is 0. And the value of digit 7 is 7. This is how we get it. 5 times 100 since it is in the 100 place. 0 times 10 since it is in the 10th place. And then 7 is the value of 7 because it is in the ones place. Another example, 342. The value of 3 is 300. The value of 4 is 40. The value of 2 is 2. Again, to get the value, just multiply the digit from its place value. So, if it is in the hundreds place, multiply to 100. If it is in the tens, multiply to 10. And then if it is in ones, multiply to 1. I hope you understand it.
Let's try to expand the given numbers. 465. There are 4 hundreds, so you write 4 hundreds. How many tens? There are 6, so you write 60. How many ones? 5, so you write 5. 4 hundreds plus 60 plus 5 equals 465. That's the end of our lesson today. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Teacher MaReya once again. Let's explore together. The Bible says in Matthew 13 verse 12, "For whoever has to him, more shall be given, and he will have an abundance. But whoever does not have, even what he has, shall be taken away from him." Have you tried to give money to a beggar? Giving money or food to the needy will be a happy experience and it will help them. You will be rewarded and your blessings will be added.